Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will learn a quick scalping strategy which I am following from the past 2 years and which is giving me really a very good profit. So this is the scalping strategy, and guys, if you don't know what is scalping, so basically scalping, or the guys who do scalpers are called scalpers. Basically they are those who entered into the trade and exit the trade with a very short span of time. They come into the trade and they exit between in between 10 to 15 minutes and with a very profit. So we will learn this strategy, and I am following this strategy with very long time. So basically I perform this strategy in Bank Nifty. Why Bank Nifty? Because it's a very volatile and we can easily catch a big move in Bank Nifty. So I use a 5-minute time frame. So we just display the 5-minute time frame in Bank Nifty. So I'm using the TradingView software to perform this strategy. So basically in this strategy, guys, whenever the market is in trending move, so like here, today is 11th April and the graph is also the of 11th April. So like from this candle to this candle, okay, this is the 1 hour, almost 1 hour. So within this 1 hour the market move in the upward direction, and after that it takes some pause or retrace little bit. So let me draw the trend line of retracing. Okay, this trend line, this candles are this trend line is act as a support for this trend line after moving in a very good direction. So whenever this trend line is broke, like this candle broke this trend line, it's a good opportunity to enter into the trade and take a good profit. Like for example, it give almost like we entered on the closing of this candle, which is break this trend line, and it's almost 93 points we can easily catch. Like not 93, we can't exit in the top of the like candles, but almost it's a 90 points move. So yeah, this is the strategy. Again the market move in upward direction after retracing. So again we found this uh, trend line which the candles are performing very good. Like okay, this trend line is active support. Again it's the candles broke this trend line, and again there is a almost 100 to 150 points up move in the one direction. So whenever the candle broke this trend line and the market is moving, the market is trendy or moving in this one direction, or whenever the market take a pause or retrace, so we draw the trend line. Whenever this trend line is broken, then we have to enter into trade and we have to catch almost 50 to 100 points. Okay, again, like today's 11th April, we get a two good profit trade. So again the market move upward direction, again there is a retrace or a pause for some time. Let's draw again trend line. Okay, this trend line is act as a support, but the candle didn't uh, break this trend line. Okay, we can clearly see that here the candles taking resistance, again here taking resistance, but the candles are not breaking this trend line. After like this trend line is act as a resistance, and the market move again in the same direction, like in a downward direction. So in this trend line we don't there is a no activation of any trade. So today there was a two trade and we perform very good profit in this trade. And if we move to the previous day, again the market is in upward direction and there is some pause. Again we draw the trend line. Okay, this is the trend line. Okay, this is the trend line. So this candle, you can, I don't know you can clearly see or not, that this trend line, uh, this candle hadn't break this trend line. Okay, इसने ब्रेक नहीं किया अभी तक, एंड नेक्स्ट टू कैंडल्स आर इन द डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन और रेड कैंडल्स. तो वी विल इग्नोर दिस कैंडल. whenever there is a breakout candle like this candle, this small candle is breakout candle, this break this trend line, and after that breaking this trend line the market move in upward direction suddenly. You can see that again there is a small retracement. This again there is a small retracement and market move in the upward direction, take some retracement. Again we draw the trend line so that we can get a good trade. uh, Wait a minute. Like this is the trend line. the candle break this trend line, but now in this case we are failed to execute this trade. No, we execute this trade, but we fail to reach our target and we hit our stop loss. So in such scenario, like not in such scenario, in every trade our stop loss is the low of the breakout candle. If the low if is very small, then we can take a previous candle low, so that there is a good risk to reward ratio. So in the previous day we have a very good trade here, we take a very good profit, almost this was our profit, and in the next trade we'll hit our stop loss. So this is the strategy, guys, I am following. This is the quick scalping strategy. You can back test it on Bank Nifty, like in every day. Like here we can found this is a big trendy move, there is a trend line breakout and move upward direction, again there is a, so you can back test it on Bank Nifty, and it's a very good strategy. Just practice, of course it will give a very good profit. So thanks for this video, and give a thumbs up if you like my video, subscribe my channel, and I will it and give me a subscribe button. It motivate me so that I can make a very good content on this YouTube channel. So thanks for watching, guys. Meet you in the next video.